give up. Today is not easy. Tomorrow will be even harder. But the day after tomorrow will be sunny. If you don't give up, there is still a chance. Opportunities lie where people complain, and success comes to those who keep moving forward relentlessly. Stay focused, work hard, and believe in yourself. Your time will come. Yes, the nights may feel long and the path may seem lonely, but every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dream. Doubts will whisper in your ear, and failures may try to break your spirit. But remember why you started. Let your passion be louder than your fear. Embrace the struggle because it's shaping the strength within you. One day you'll look back and realize that the pain, the patience, and the perseverance were all worth it. Keep going. Your breakthrough might be just one step away. If you feel even a little motivated by my words, then type yes in the comments. And don't forget to follow this page